Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, I just got a new screen guard from the dollar store. We're going to see how that works with the iPhone. And it says that it's shattered resistant. So we're going to test that part out too. All right, let's go ahead and install this. The alcohol wipe is really dry. Usually they're a little bit more moist. This is a dummy unit that I'm using for the iPhone. Now I'm going to use the cleaning cloth. Make sure there's no dust on here at all. Okay, here's our tempered glass. It says, please peel off this mask before application. I think my dummy unit on my phone is a little small. This is for the iPhone XS Max or 11 Pro, and this is the iPhone 7 and 8. So, oops, but hey, that's all right. It's going to be well protected. I'm probably the last person you ever want to call to put your tempered glass on your phone. Right now, I'm pretty happy of the results of this tempered glass on this dummy unit. This is the iPhone 7 or 8. Like I said, this is designed for the iPhone Pro Max 11, but it has attached itself really well. It's sealed on there. It's not coming off. No bubbles at all. All the bubbles, came off of there. For $1, I'm pretty surprised at how well this is. Like I said, if you could attach that, I would probably invest a couple more cents into getting a better alcohol wipe. But this is really cool. I like that. So right now we're going to go ahead and do a couple tests to see how shatter resistant this tempered glass is. Okay, let's go ahead and do a couple tests right here. I got a razor blade. So we're going to see if it makes any kind of scratches. I really don't see any scratches at all. All right. How'd that hold up? Yeah, you can see it. No scratches at all on there. Golly. We got the hammer here, so I'm just going to go ahead and just lightly pound on it to see how that would hold up. All right, we got a little break for another good couple whacks. Staying together pretty good. All right, let's go test it with the drill now. Oh, look what I found. I got myself a chainsaw. Let's see what happens here. Holy cow. All right, we found ourselves a big hammer here. All right, we got good news and we got bad news. I think this tempered glass is holding up really well, especially for $1. I think it's protecting the screen really well. But when you do tests like this, make sure you put a pad down here to protect the other side of your phone. Break it apart there. But yeah, so far so good. As you can see right here, it says shatter resistant. And it looks like it held up through our drills, our hammer, and even the chainsaw. All right, right now I'm going to go ahead and take this off to see what it looks like underneath. And maybe you don't want to see what's underneath. But like I said, this is the dummy unit. Hopefully your iPhone would hold up better there. But we did go through some extreme testing. Hey, we had a fun time testing out this screen protector from the dollar store. Like I said, this is for the iPhone Pro Max. Basically, it held up pretty good. How many times are you going to have somebody take a chainsaw to your phone? Probably never. But yeah, for $1, not too shabby. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check out my other videos on here. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.